Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change gender preference on Bumble. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do, you're first gonna go ahead access your Bumble in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, let's first cross this out and you're gonna go to your this section. This is how the app gonna open up, right? You're simply gonna go ahead afterwards, tap on this profile icon given over here, and then once you have tapped on it, this kind of interface gonna pop up, right? You're gonna go ahead, tap on your profile icon on here, like you can see the picture, right, your avatar, and now tap on this edit profile given below, and now this will show this kind of interface with all of the settings of yours. You can see verify my profile, your interest, a profile promotes, opening question, your bio. Here in this basics, you can find this option called gender. Go ahead, tap on it, and now switch it to the gender that you have wrong added, man, woman, non-binary, according to your need, and tap on the save and close, and its updates will be saved. So this is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.